everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. We're gonna do some things a little different today. We are gonna do a shop with me, but not only that, we're gonna run a little bit of errands. It is back to school, and I thought I'd take you along with us. We're heading to Target. Well, thank you, sir. Thank you, kind sir. Hey, Ezra. So we start next week, right, with school. So we're just gonna look for a couple of things for you, all right? So basically, I'm just letting the kids pick some stuff for today. And we're also going to pick up some pizza for lunch. Just kind of a fun little get together, getting ready for back to school, and just letting them make some choices. All right, so it's not as hot as it's been in the last couple of days, the last few weeks, whatever. It's like 95 is the high today, but the humidity, I get it, guys. If you live where it's humidity, a lot of humidity. We've been having some good monsoon rains the last couple of days, and we're supposed to be getting some more. I even thought maybe I shouldn't wear my hair straight. It is quite humid, so it feels even warmer. So I feel for you. Feel for those that are in the humidity. Okay, so we have just been enjoying each other, taking the boys out. Like I said, I let them make some choices. Lunch. If you've not had their deep dish lunch special, that's the one I get, and I only eat like half of it. It is so good. It's like my favorite fast food pizza, and it's like $5, and it comes with a soda. All right, let me show you some of the things that we got for the freezer before things start thawing out. So let me start unpacking, and then I'll show you everything that we got. All right, so I let the boys make the choices. So they wanted to get some ice cream. I don't think I've ever would have bought Reese's ice cream before, or really ever, because that's not usually things that I think that the kids would want. They're proving me wrong. So Jonas picked this, and Ezra picked these sugar-free fudgesicles. So he was happy to have those. So we'll get those in the freezer right now. But really, one of the reasons I went there was because I wanted to pick up some chicken breasts. So this was about $8, which is a good price for a chicken breast. This was the only one they had, you guys. So scratch that. And if you're buying chicken breasts at Target, you gotta save me some. All right, so I ended up buying some chicken strips that we could have as a family one night, and then I picked up the gluten-free ones for Paul, so we could just have a dinner one night together. I picked up some pepperoni pizza in the freezer section. This was like $4. So I wanted to make sure I got everything in this. So it's kind of like a shop with me and grocery haul. Not much of a grocery haul though. But let me show you what else we got. Okay, so I picked up a couple more bags of the milk chocolate chips. Winco and Target have some pretty good priced ones. So these were under $2. Of course, Walmart as well. So I love being able just to pick up a couple, but the best time, if you can buy a lot, is usually in the fall before like the Thanksgiving. You'll see sales for them for sure, but $1.99 isn't a bad price. Plus I like to make the pumpkin chocolate chip muffins, like mini ones, in bulk, and then just leave them in the back freezer so the kids can put some in their lunches. Or I might even start making some granola bars. We'll see. Ooh, a little bit later, I wanna show you a really super easy dessert that turned out so good, you guys. So I can't wait. It's super easy. Okay. Also, this brand, it's called Western Bagels. I always see them at Target, and they're a good price. It's like under $2. I want to say it's even like $1.50. So I buy these and just some whipped cream cheese. Throw some tomatoes on that with some lemon pepper. That is my favorite bagel of all time. But even putting some avocado on that, make it like avocado toast. I've been eating a lot of avocado toast lately too. Also very filling and very, very good. I let the boys pick out one of these because we picked out candy for a friend's birthday. So they're like, what about us? Because, you know, all the other junk isn't for them already. So these they picked out. Do you have a favorite candy that you just can't pass up? Let me know down below. Jonas picked out his favorite cereal. Now, we are using almond milk and everybody is totally great with it. So I've already noticed that I need to go buy some more, probably from Costco. So I may just run into Costco or Sam's Club, just get a 3-pack and maybe some paper towels and then just run out. I might have to go in with blinders, you guys, because it's very easy to spend a lot more money at those the bulk stores. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we got that. I also picked up some back to school things. This is primarily for my preschool class. I thought I could maybe use those, maybe, you know, make some PDFs if I can see if these will work. It does have a QR code, maybe for some lessons I can show. We'll see. But this one I thought would be fun for Ezra. He loves the solar system. We love learning about it. It is a lot of fun, and it's for grade 2nd and 3rd. And even though he's going into 4th grade, I still think he can enjoy this one. Okay, let's keep going. I also let Jonas pick up a couple of things for back to school. We always need socks with these kids. Oh, so he picked out these ones. He really liked these no-show socks, and then he got some white Vans. So I think he's ready for the first day with footwear. And he picked these Goodfellow shirts are $6 right now, which is it's such a good price. And of course, he loves these little shorts that look like cut off sweats. Oh, it's the style. But I think he already has a pair that's kind of like this. We will see. But I was just happy he picked something out. So for me, I don't like going back to school shopping and buying it all at once because it really affects more of our pocketbook. So I like to just go out and buy an outfit at a time. And so that way he builds it up through the summer. I don't know. Let me know what your strategy is for back to school shopping when you did it, or if you're doing it now. I know it could be like hundreds of dollars. Plus, if your area has like a list of items that they need to bring before the first day of school or by the first day of school, that can be a lot of money as well. And I remember, I guess it's one of the perks of homeschooling, right? But we have been buying things off and on, and I also buy curriculum. So, all right. So I had to pick up some of these for my class. I am just needing some thin, dry erase markers. Mine upstairs aren't doing so well for my class, so I had to get new ones. And Jonas wanted to try some protein bars. So we saw these by the register and thought, okay, let's do these ones. Let me know if you've had the Zone Perfect ones because it almost looks like cookie dough, right? I mean, I guess that's what they're going for, but 10 grams of protein, that seems like a good idea. But I told Jonas, like 1 a day, just be careful, that kind of stuff. So we don't want to overdo it and have me go buy some more so fast. I mean, because then, you know, protein bars, and you know, he had to offset it with Little Debbie's. So he chose this one, while Ezra chose the Nutty Buddies. These ones are so good, but I myself, I'm trying to stay away from peanut butter. Yikes. So I've been trying to do more almond butter. And last but not least, we saw these in the bullseye area, the dollar spot where you walk in, are these LED lights. They were $5 each. So I thought it would be kind of fun for the boys to put them up on their bunk beds, just to kind of have something to look forward to do something that they can do together. I just think it's super cute. So do any of your kids or grandkids have any of these like runner lights? Let me know what you think of them. I don't know how long it's going to last, but I will tell you, I bought like one of those little ceramic houses, you know, back, I don't know, over a couple years ago. And it had like the on-off switch. And it is, I had it on through the holidays last year. It's still lit in my entertainment center. So these might last a lot longer than I think, maybe. We'll see. It says it's sound active too. Oh my goodness. So that's gonna be great. All right, let me show you the dessert. It is so good. So I don't know if it was a couple of weeks ago, I bought some puff pastries in the freezer section just to kind of keep on hand. I think it was the last time I went to Vaughn's. And I saw a recipe, super easy. Basically, you just let it thaw out. Each sheet, you cut it into quarters. So basically you would have 8 desserts. And so you take it, you fill it with dark chocolate chips and crimp it over, put a little egg wash, sprinkle a little sugar, and follow the baking as directed. I think it's like 15 minutes at 400 degrees. And you guys, look at how good that looks. They are delicious, and I think you can go ahead and fill them with really any filling you'd like. Apple pie, real apples. You could put lemon curd. You can put like maybe even pudding in there, like some chocolate pudding. Maybe get really creative. I think you could do different kinds, but when you cut this in half, it's like chocolate, like the chocolate chips melted. It is divine. So I had to share them with the neighbor, and she was like, Ines, these are like restaurant quality like pastries. And I was like, it's so easy. So I had to share the info with her, in which I'm sharing with you. So super easy to make. Maybe think of about a breakfast for dinner, or maybe just a special time when family or friends get together, and bring them. They are so good, you guys. And really, it's like $5 to make 8 of them, which is not too bad. All right, friends, I am all done. Let me know how I did at Target with the shop with me / grocery haul. Did I know they'll probably have more things that I probably will need to get in the next week or so. And I usually let Jonas go to school and let me know what his teachers are requesting. And then I go shopping, because it's silly to do it before they go to school. So have a wonderful day, rollers. Thank you for supporting the channel. Give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you very soon. So stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.